guys, welcome back to the channel. How many of you wish you had some video footage when you get into a minor fender bender in your car, or maybe when you park your car late at night in a parking lot and then you suspect that somebody tried to get into the car? Wish you had some video footage that you could take some action. Well, the product that I'm gonna review today takes care of that. It's the Pelsee P2 Trio Dashcam. It's a fully 4K 3-way recording dashcam, fully wireless, with great features and great functionality. So I'm gonna fully review this today. We're gonna do an opening of the box, see everything that it's inside, and then test it and see how the footage comes out. So let's check it out. Right guys, like we said before, let's do the full unboxing of the Pelsee 3-channel Wi-Fi dash camera, the P2 Trio. That's the model. I can tell you this is very well packaged, very high quality packaging. So let's open the box and see what's inside. All right, let's see. So when we can see here, we have a box for accessories and one for the dash camera. Very well packaged, like I said. So let's start with the camera. And there it is. Yep, it's got the lens cover, it's got the port, the microphone is here, and serial number, and it's got all the buttons here to control it. It also has voice control. I think I mentioned that in the opening. And it's got a GPS unit. So that's going to be interesting how to best install this camera. But I can tell you it feels not heavy, but well built, high quality plastic, and it says it's 4K, and it's going to be interesting to test it. So let's see what's in the box for the accessories now. Okay, so here we have the connector for the lighter socket and the power from the lighter socket with a USB port here, so you can connect other things while you're using it. So that's very handy. And yeah, so we got that for power. Then we have additional camera. So will be interesting to see where that goes, and plenty of cable with the connector into the main camera. So I'm sure this is probably what enables you to film inside the cabin and to the back of the car. There's some hardware here, including the memory card, and we got some trim removal hardware for your car in case that's needed. Let's see what else is in here. Got the user manual, some additional sticky glue pads, and then your warranty card. This is to clean the surface of the camera lens. And then you can see some lens protectors here also that you can use, and then some hardware just to make sure that you do proper cable management. The SD card is 64 gigabytes, and yeah, I think we got everything we need. I think the next step will be pretty much to go into the car and install it, and then go out for a ride and test it and show you some of the footage that we can capture here. That's gonna be interesting. So let's do that next. All right guys, I'm inside the car, ready to install the camera. I made sure that I connected the power to the socket, and now it's a matter of positioning it right next to the rear view mirror, and make sure that it sticks well to the glass. As you can see, it's got the front facing camera, and it's got a back camera that will film inside the cabin. So that's very interesting. I don't know if you can see that, but the quality is pretty good in terms of what you see. on the camera. You can take pictures, which I just did by pressing one of the buttons. You can actually make some captures, which is very useful. And it seems to be very easy to use. I put the memory card in here, and that was it. Pretty much connecting the power. I haven't connected the rear-facing camera. I might do another test with that, which will be connected right next to where you connect the power. But now it's time to install it, and then let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so the camera is now fully connected. It was super easy to just attach it to the glass. I'm not gonna do cable management for now. That might be a job for later. I just want to test it, go out on a ride and do some recording so that you can see the quality of the recording. So let's do that now. I can see it's recording well. It's recording inside the cabin and it's recording outside. Wish you could see the image quality on the screen in the camera. It's pretty good. So I'm sure the footage will be very high quality. So it's a sunny day. It's perfect for this. Looking forward to it. Let's test it. All right guys, we're going into the highway now. Let's see how that looks recording the highway. This is a 4-lane highway, so we will see the wide angle capabilities of the dash cam. So far so good. Yeah, we have some emergency vehicles, and right now behind me there's a state trooper. He must be wondering what I'm doing with these cameras. So let's make sure we behave. So we're getting into the highway now, and it's recording. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna superimpose some of the footage that I'm taking with the dash cam. Looking well. Yeah, the police just passing me by now. Very fast, actually. So it might be pursuing somebody. Who knows? But these are the kinds of events that are captured with a dash cam, right? You never know what's gonna happen when you're out there on the road. Like I said, you know, it's very useful to gather some footage in the case of an accident, a fender bender. It's useful for insurance purposes, so you can have a bit of evidence if you need it of certain events, and also it can capture other people's issues and accidents, and you can help other people by providing them with the footage that you're capturing. Alright guys, so there you have it. The Pelsee P2 Trio Dashcam. It's a great and amazing gadget. You will not regret getting one of these. Get it as a gift, get it for yourself. It's high quality, you could see that in the footage. I highly recommend it. So I'm gonna put the link down below where you can get it on Amazon. But for now, I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you for subscribing to Garage Butts, and I'll see you around again soon. Take care.